Welcome to using Qudini's Waitlist and Reservation Management app. We're excited to get you started with the app, so here's a brief instruction video to get you going. First, we're going to take you through the main features of the app and how to add in walk-in customers. Then we're going to show you how to manage your reservation diary before taking you through some other useful things to know. Qudini is a web app. This means that you can access it from any internet browser without the need to pre-install an app on the device. Simply go to app.qudini.com and log in using your login details. In front of you on the main screen, you'll see your evening's worth of both waitlist and reservation customers. In other words, your queue. To add a new walk-in customer to the waitlist, simply click Add Customer in the top right. This is the screen where you can add in a walk-in customer or a reservation customer. We're first going to show you how to add a walk-in customer wanting the next available table. Simply type in the customer's name, then their mobile number, select their party size, and type in the estimated time that you think they'll need to wait for their table. This estimated serve time is only for you to view, to help you track what you may have initially told the customer when they joined. You can even type an optional note about the customer, such as if they want a particular table, or it's their birthday, or here you can type in which table you wish to allocate them. The phone number is also an optional field, in case you want to use the Waitlist app without texting customers. Perhaps you might have them stay by the bar or at the door, and you'll call them verbally. If the customer is on an international phone, you can easily find the correct area code down the side. Don't worry if you add a 0 at the front of any number, as well as the area. To complete, just click Add Customer and go back to the queue to view them in the waitlist. Your customer will now receive a text confirming their position on your waitlist, and this even gives them a web link where they can follow a countdown of their position on the waitlist while they wait. This update's live for them to see. The web link can be customized to your own brand and will even contain links to your menu, any special offers, and your social media pages, so that customers engage with your business while they wait. Any customer on any phone will receive the text message. Those on a smartphone will be able to view their position on the web link. Now we'll show you how to easily manage the waitlist of customers you've built. Back to the queue, you can see your lists of waiting customers, their names, their party size, and this bar intelligently shows you how long your customers waited versus how long you told them the wait would be. So this customer Jack has waited 20 minutes and was initially told his wait was 40. When it fills up, you can see that they've been waiting longer than you initially told them, although don't worry, he can't see this. Where you haven't entered an estimated wait time for the customer, the bar stays empty, but you can still see how long the customer has waited. To manage the details of a customer, simply click on their name in the list. Here you can see and edit their details. You may wish to edit the notes field for a customer to type in what table you intend to assign them. Back on the queue, this then shows at the end of their line. To call a customer back, simply go to their details and click the Text Back button, and a pre-configured text will send to your customer telling them to return. If you had the Qudini web app open on a smartphone, you could even press Call to speak to the customer straight away. Then, when you go back to the queue, you'll be able to see a green phone icon showing any customers you've called to return, either by phone or text. In this box here, you can see any text messages that were sent to a customer, so you can see the original text and the text asking them to return. A different delivery status will show depending on whether the message has been sent out, delivered to the customer's phone, or failed. If it's failed, this may be because the number's been entered incorrectly. Any customer can even reply to any of the messages at any time. It's often useful to let your customers know this when they join the waitlist, just to tell them to text you back if their party size changes or if they no longer want their table. When a customer texts you, a message icon will show next to their name in the queue, and when you click on their details, you're able to read their message in the box and even reply if you need to. When a customer returns to the restaurant to be seated, just press the Seated button. Your customer is then removed from the waitlist, and if you go to the History tab, here at the top, you can see the details of all the seated customers and what time they were seated. If you click Add Back, this would even add them back to the waitlist. If you need to remove a customer from the waitlist at any time, perhaps because they've texted in to cancel or haven't turned up, simply press No Show. Your customer will then be placed in the holding part at the bottom of the waitlist for the next 30 minutes, so that you can add them back to the waitlist if needs be. All customers re-added are placed at the bottom of the waitlist, but you can always serve them sooner if you need to. If a person displays in the left queue section with a green man icon next to their name, this means that the customer has left the queue themselves through the option to do so from the web link. Now let's show you how to use our reservation diary features. When taking a booking over the phone or by email, you can simply go to Add Customer and select the Reservation tab to add in a new reservation customer. Here you can scan along what availability you have to help you to plan the evening. Then simply select the correct date and type in your reservation customer's name, phone number, party size, and the start time, as well as the duration of the booking if you need to. You can also add in any notes such as what table you intend to seat them at, or if they have any special requests. Now when you go back to the waitlist page, reservation customers will show with a calendar icon next to their name and their booking time. You can use the Date tab at the top to view and plan upcoming reservations for future evenings. When a booking is made in the app, the customer will receive an automatic text to confirm their booking. This is something they can reply to at any time if they wish to change their details or cancel. On the day of your customer's booking, 3 hours before, your customer will receive a text to remind them and asking them to reply to the text if they wish to cancel. On the main queue page, this side box will let you know if there are any unread messages in the app from either waitlist or bookings customers. Simply check the filter box to view all unread customer text messages in the system, whether for today or upcoming days in the future. If you've texted or spoken to your customer to confirm their reservation on the day, you can use this button here to indicate that they have confirmed, and a green tick will display next to their reservation in the list. Now here's a really exciting feature. When Qudini recognizes either a reservation or a waitlist customer's phone number, the app will even tell you how many times that customer has visited your restaurant or even any of your other sites, if you have more than one. If you click on their name and select Details, you can view which sites they've been to, how long they've waited, and whether they ended up cancelling their table. If you decide to reward the customer for their loyalty when they return for their meal, you can even record this information by adding a perk, so that in the future you can track what reward you've offered them. Your restaurants can even have 2 queues. Both queues can be configured with different text messages. This function can be useful if some of the customers wait for different types of tables, such as an outside seat or an indoor seat. You can even use Qudini for your takeaway and delivery services to text customers when their orders are ready. SMS messages are easy to change or switch off. Simply go to Settings and change your text or uncheck the box to disable it. Messages must be kept to 160 characters. The app works effectively in offline mode, so if your Wi-Fi or 4G connection goes down, the list of your customers and their details is still accessible. However, you will not be able to add new customers or edit or text customers. If connection is a problem on your tablet, Qudini can be opened from any desktop or smartphone device. Simply go to app.qudini.com on any internet browser and log in with your usual details. Here you can continue to use the service as normal. If Wi-Fi in your restaurant is a problem, we often recommend having a 4G SIM or spare router as a backup. If at any time you need to get hold of our team for assistance, you can use the support portal to open a new support ticket to let us know what's wrong. Or you can email directly to support@qudini.com. Our team will shortly reply to you by email to assist. Information on all your support email correspondence will be accessible from this portal. If you go to app.qudini.com/stats with your usual login details, you'll be able to view analytics on the restaurant, such as how many customers you've served versus how many were removed from the waitlist. The product section will display as a breakdown of different party sizes you seated, and the web link stats show what proportion of customers have been looking at the web link while they wait, and even how many times each customer is viewing the link. If you have multiple stores, you can even quickly view and compare your site's operations using the drop-down.